Hello everyone. So in this video we will talk about method overloading and method overriding. So both these concepts come from polymorphism, which is a part of OOPS concept. So what is method overloading? Like when two or more method having same name but different parameter, that is called method overloading. And for method overloading only one class is required. Okay. And what is method overriding? Like two or more method having same name and same parameter, then it's a method overriding. And for a method overriding, two class is required and it is achieved through inheritance. Like, so let's have a look. We will see this both the concept method overloading and method overriding one by one through practical demonstration. So for doing this, first we have to create one class, and I will pass package as form.dear and giving name as overloading. Then so in this class, I'm going to perform the concept of method overloading. So we already know that when two or more method having same name but different parameter, that is method overloading. And for method overloading, only one class is required. So public class overloading is one class in which we will define the two main. Let's see. So both the method having same name, that's why it's showing error. And we have to pass here the different parameter. Okay. So this see this is method overloading in which the two methods are present and both methods are having same name and the parameters are different. In first method, I am passing parameter as an integer value, and in second method I am passing parameter as a string value. Now we have to create one instance for this. So overloading o1 o1 dot. See the both method is coming now. So we will see one by one. First we will see m1, and we will write pass integer value as 20. We will here save it, then run it. Java application, okay. See, the output value that we are getting is 20. Now we'll check for other one. Again save it and then run. See, the name value is Shiva. So in this way we can perform the method overloading. We can also give one more method like public void m1, in which I will pass parameter as different, like double d value. Now I can call this, see, the double as a 1.0, then save it, then run. So in this way we can perform the method overloading. Now we will see the program related to override. So for that I'm creating a new class, and I'm taking package same as com.dl and giving name as right, then finish it. And we know the properties of override, that two or more method having same name and same parameter, and two classes required for override, and it will be achieved by using inheritance. So let's see. So for that we will define one more class, and I'm passing method as public void m1, and I'm doing inheritance here. For that we will use a keyword called extends a. Now do here public void m1. So see this, here the overrides com.dl.a1. It means that this method is overriding from the parent class. Now do this method 2. Now we have to create one instance. For that we will write a1 new, and a1 dot, we will try to call the method m1. Now save it and run. Select as a Java application, then okay. Then see, the output we got is method 1, that is coming from here. And if you want that the output will come from this part, what we will do, we will change the class name as right, then save it, then run it. See, now we will getting the output from method 2. So that is coming from here. So in this video we have covered about the method overloading and overriding, and we will meet in the next video with a new topic.